Fanbasis review. Let's get started. So Fanbasis offers a legitimate and well-funded platform. Apparently, they have a credible startup which is funded in 2020, backed by $20 million in Series A funding from respected investors like the Left Lane Capital, Gerard Peak, Ryan Serhart, and others. It's also designed for creators and agencies, and the platform supports high-ticket digital offerings, courses, one-on-one calls, merchandise sales, and seamless creator-fan engagement. So what users love about it is fast and responsive support. They also have flexible payment options like it accepts credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Cash App, crypto, plus BNPL like the Afterpay, and unusual creator platforms, all in one business stack. So they have integrations as well for funnels and automated fulfillments. However, there are some points to keep in mind. The fee is structure is a semi-custom. They also have a payment processor partnership, so payouts are handled via a third-party processor, and you must comply with them. They also have app stability issues. But overall, is it worth it? Well, Fanbases clearly delivers a robust, creator-centric platform with smooth onboarding, fast payment support, and professional-grade tools. It's well-suited for content creators, coaches, and agencies who want to streamline monetization without managing multiple vendors.